So how do I have a good reputation management program? How do I manage my reviews, and how can I be effective? Like, I'm not in my laundromat every day. You know, I have a side bit. This is my side business. Like, I have another full-time job, or, you know, there's not an attendant on duty. Like, I don't have anyone that interacts with customers. I work with a bunch of businesses like yours, and so there are ways to work around that. But making it a priority. And if you have a staff, getting your staff involved is very, very key. So the first step is that commitment, a process to invite or elicit positive reviews, whether that be, you know, someone in the business asking for them, a supplemental card, prompting to write a review, maybe an email follow-up, or sharing it on your social media page. And it's not a one-time thing. Think of it like exercising. As we start at the beginning of the year, and many start their new fitness routines, like, you can't stop exercising or eating well to stay in shape. Like, you have to keep doing that again and again and again. And I equate reputation management of that process, that you are going to continue to work out to stay in shape. You're not going to have a time where you just stop it. If you stop it, you have to start over again. So then the second thing is awareness of what's being written about your business. When I say awareness, like, do you even know what's being said? I would say I probably would pull half the businesses that I've worked with over the years, and half of that, or of all the businesses I've worked with over the years, probably if I pulled them, half of them have never even looked up the reviews different places. Like, you may not know what people are saying about you. So you need to know what's being said when it's being said. If you're too late noticing that there's a bad review, it's often too late to solve that problem. If you find out that you had a bad review or a bad experience, and you address that with a customer, or address it in the business, maybe there's floors that are dirty, bathrooms dirty, something's not right with the machine, you now can fix it faster because you know what's being said. So I like to say, like, years ago, you would go in a restaurant and you'd have a comment card sitting at the table to tell the business how your service was. Well, people don't really leave comment cards anymore. They go on the internet and they see this as feedback. You would be surprised the number of businesses that I work with that got a negative review, address it with the customer, or address the situation, and that review actually gets changed from a 1-star to a 5-star. It's the way of a consumer today saying, hey, listen to me. You wish that they just call you and write a note, but this is the way that they feel that they're going to get heard. And then the third thing is responding appropriately and professionally to all public reviews. So the reviews, and I'll show you a screenshot of what I mean by that. I know when you get a negative review, you want to just say, like, your peace of mind, and you know there's two sides of the story. The reality is, though, we need to be kind and professional to those who are leaving the review, not only for that reviewer, but for future consumers who are looking to go to your business. People who haven't been there yet and they see that you've responded, know that you care about the business. The other part of that is that future customers like to see that you responded to positive reviews. So it's not just negative reviews, it's positive reviews. You know, someone's taking time to leave the review, you're taking the time to respond. And then the final part is we recommend amplifying all the positive reviews that you receive from across the web to engage you know, people through positive feedback to share those positive reviews.